Take a ride in the 2025 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear all-terrain, LED headlights, privacy glass. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.